Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain about the reproduction in Psilotum. Here the Psilotum sporophyte that is produced by both sexual and asexual reproduction. The sporophyte reproduces by vegetative propagation as well as spore production. Let us discuss about the asexual reproduction of Psilotum. It is by vegetative propagation as well as spore production. First one is vegetative propagation. Production of gemme or brood bodies formed on the rhizome. The gemme is a oval body, one cell in thickness, rich in reserve food, especially starch. The gemme detach from the plant body, germinate into new plant of Psilotum. Here the root part, here the root nothing but rhizome that produces a small ovoid structure that is detached from the plant body and that germinate independently into a new plant of Psilotum. This is about vegetative propagation by gemme. Second one is spore production. The sporophyte produces asexually by the formation of spores. Spores are produced in special trilobed structure called as synangia. What is synangia? Synangia is a trilobed structure. It is a spore bearing structure of the Psilotum. Next come to the structure of mature synangium. The wall of the trilobed synangium is made up of 4 to 5 layers of cells. The outer layer of the wall is prismatic. Prismatic means it is a triangular structure. Within the synangium, there are 3 chambers of spore cavities containing the spores. Here the synangium is a trilobed structure. In that trilobes we can see inside the spores. All the spores of the same type means homosporous. Here the spores cannot be differentiated into male or female spores. The spores were germinate on a suitable substratum. The germination is by splitting of the outer spore walls and projection of small tubular outgrowth. Here that 3 lobes are splitting for the spreading of the spores, and then that is germinate to form a new plant. Here this is the Psilotum sporophyte that containing the synangium. Here synangium is a trilobed structure. The outer layer is prismatic and inside 3 lobes that containing homospores. Homosporous spores that cannot be differentiated into male or female spores. These spores are by splitting of the walls of the synangium, the spores are spreaded and that develops a new plant. This is about asexual reproduction in spores and also the vegetative propagation in the Psilotum. Thank you.